Yeah, yeah. Since it's just the time with a kickstand, thinking of a plan to get quick bands.
Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please come over, subscribe, comment, like, and share my video. And let me say my grace, then we're going to get into what I'm fit to eat. Amen. So today, I got broccoli with, I got some chicken covered with, cheese sauce. And then I made and put on my broccoli. So I guess I'm finna to get in. I got my water bottle, my drink, strawberry, and I got some Bulls hot sauce. So let me get into it. I made my own cheese sauce, y'all. It's good. It's good. And I got some, I put some sauce on top of it before I put my cheese on top. I put the cheese on top of the filling that I put on that I made with the tomato paste. It's good, y'all. Yes, it is. So how y'all doing today? How y'all doing? I forgot to do me some rolls, but it'll be all right. How y'all doing today? These fresh broccoli. It's all good. So, I want to thank y'all for coming over, watching my channel. You didn't have to, but you did. And I thank y'all. And subscribing to me. My video going up. Comments. Y'all, I really do thank y'all. We did the chicken, excuse me, y'all. We did the chicken, but anyway, we did the chicken, and y'all see the hubby won. So now y'all have to look out for the giveaway. It's coming, y'all. It's coming. And hopefully we start going live. Doing some live. Talking to you. Enjoying your company. That was good. We got a lot more stuff coming that we're gonna be doing on this channel. I'm still working on my other channel, trying to get that did. And then I've been having my grandbabies on here when they come home. Well, when they come. Well, then they take home, so when they come home. And I'm gonna be having them on the channel. Because they got a channel coming. And I got a chicken just coming off that bone. But like I said, I thank for my subscribers. I thank for the one who come over and watch my channel. My views trying to go back up. You know, sometimes you start something and you have to stop because things don't go right. And you be hoping, like, I hope my views don't go down, my subscribers don't live, but the only thing you can do is come back stronger. And so far, that's what I've been doing. I don't want to let my subscribers down. So, I'm trying to bring it, y'all. I'm trying to bring it. I'm trying to eat. Baby, eat. Grow, baby, grow. That's right. Yep. And that's what I've been trying to do, y'all. Try to put videos out for y'all. Y'all ain't even do my boiled hot sauce. I forget about it for real. When something be so good, you be like, shoot, I'm finna eat. Like, I'm finna eat, it's so good. This time I cook, and it's good. It's real good, y'all. It's a lot of meat, and the meat just coming off the bone. Y'all, let me just coming off the bone. Oh, good. I'm trying to put my videos out, y'all. Just bear with me, y'all. It's just stuff that I want to do so much, y'all. I do. I want to do so much. But I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it, y'all. I'm going to do it. So, little. As long as I got God on my side, I'm not worried about them. And y'all, thank y'all. Y'all here with me, you bear with me, thank you. Now that chicken just coming off that bone. Baby. You good. What is it? I want y'all to comment and comment down below and tell me what y'all want me to eat, whatever. You know? I'm listening. I read my comments. But when it's something negative and bad, I skip over it. I do. Somebody try to get on them and try to talk about you. You know, I look over it. But comment down below, y'all. That broccoli good. I'm eating by myself today. I just say not today. Eat, baby, eat. Grow, baby, grow. Yes, baby, yes. Y'all, it was good. Gristle. No, that was good. It really was, y'all. Ooh, y'all. That filled me up, though. It did. My video, this video is not going to be a long video, y'all, so. But I did it. I did it. But anyway, y'all. I got a lot more stuff coming. Excuse me. I got a lot more stuff coming that I want to do. Yeah. And my grandkids gonna be on here. I'll pull it out. But I'm gonna have my grandkids on here a lot now. Cause you know they out for spring break. They finna be out for spring break. So you know they're gonna be here with grandma. With grandma and papa. So, and they uncle. So y'all, I guess I'm getting ready to end my video. Y'all, so the only thing I can tell y'all, thank y'all for coming over watching my video, because you didn't have to watch, you could have just go right through it, y'all, and I understand that, but you did. You came over and you watched my videos, and you comment, you liked them, and you shared, and I thank y'all. So y'all, I love y'all, R&S family. And with that being said, if you haven't subscribed, please come over, subscribe, comment, like, and share my video. Until then, love y'all. Quan, come here. So y'all, guess I'm getting ready to end this video. Y'all, I love y'all. And I guess I'll see y'all till next time. Bye-bye.